Hello and welcome to TechExpress. Today we'll dive into the world of affiliation marketing with a quick and easy guide on setting up an Impact affiliation marketing account in 2023. So whether you are a blogger, influencer, or digital marketer looking to monetize your online presences, Impact offers powerful tools to help you earn through affiliate partnerships. Let's get started and set up your account today. Now, introduction to Impact and affiliation marketing. Impact is a popular affiliate marketing platform that connects brands with publishers and influencers. It's an excellent way for content creators to partner with brands and earn commissions and sales and leads generated. Now, affiliate marketing can be lucrative eventual if done correctly, and Impact is a great place to begin. So navigating to the Impact website. First of all, let's head over to the Impact website. You'll find detailed information about its services and how they cater to both advertisers and publishers. Take a moment here to familiarize with all the brands, the platform, the publishers, how you can partner with them, and the insights and the resources and all of that. So now let's move on to the register for your account. To create your account, you wanted to go in to click into the sign up button or choose are you a brand or are you a partner. Now here what I wanted to do is to go and start with the first section of going into sign in. It's going to be sending me directly into the app.impact.com. You'll be directed to the registration form. Fill out your personal details, including your name, email address, and create a passcode. You want to ensure the information is accurate and secure. Now, what is your primary business model? For example, content reviews, deal coupons, royalty, rewards, creator, network, commerce solutions, and choose the one that best suits for you and which method do you use to promote. Let's say, for example, that we wanted to add a social, and let's say YouTube. Now you wanted to add, of course, your account in order to continue and to add your Google account. Now here, as you can see, we have the Activate Impact, what has to access the Google account. Now, after you provide, of course, all the information there, it's going to be asking you to add detailed information about your business and promotional methods. It includes your website, your social media channels, or all the platforms where you plan to promote affiliation products. So you're going to be now set it up there, and your profile is your public face to your brand, so make it pop. So what you wanted to do is to be as specific as possible, and as this information is crucial for Impact to match you with suitable brands. For example, your profile, the description, content interests, the personal information, adding information, context, the media kit, pause profile, and keep now into save. After submitting your application, guys, we wanted to focus into the review of our account. The process might take a few days. You'll receive an email once your account is verified and approved. In the meantime, you want to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with the features. So how to explore the actual dashboard settings here. Look for offers that align with your audience. You can start integrating them with your content, and best of luck here, guys, because this is the way how you can get started into Impact.com with affiliation process and all of that. So guys, that's it. You're all set with your Impact account, affiliate marketing account. With your pages and the right strategy, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. So if this guide was helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to TechExpress and for more affiliation marketing tips. Any questions or tips about getting started with Impact, drop them into the comments below. Thank you for watching, and here's your success in the exciting world of affiliation marketing. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insight to grow your online presence. See you soon.